سلام، امروز میخوام بهتون واژه‌های مرکبی رو یاد بدم که توشون کلمه خانه یا همون خونه است. کتابخونه or کتابخانه. کتاب book، خانه house. Book house is a library. میخوام برم کتابخونه درس بخونم. آشپزخونه. آشپز is a chef. خونه house. A chef's house means kitchen. مامان توی آشپزخونه داره غذا درست میکنه. کارخونه. کار means work. The house of work. It means a factory. 2 کارخونه بزرگ نزدیک خونه ماست. داروخونه. دارو means drugs or medicine. So the house for medicine, it's a drugstore. میتونی از داروخونه برام قرص بخری؟ چاپخونه. Chop means printing. The house of printing. It means a printing shop or something. قهوه خونه. قهوه is coffee. So it's a coffee house. But قهوه خونه in Iran refers to the store in which you can have tea. And the place you can have coffee is a coffee shop in Persian. مسافرخونه. مسافر is a traveler. So a house for travelers, it's an inn or a guest house. دیشب رو توی مسافرخونه موندم. گلخونه. گل means flower. Flower's house is a greenhouse. رودخونه or رودخانه, formal Persian. Rud means river. And a river's house is رودخونه. سردخونه. Sard means cold. A cold house, it's a place that we can keep meat and sometimes dead bodies. سفارتخونه. Sefarat is embassy. Embassy's house is an embassy. قمارخونه. قمار means gambling. Gambling's house. نمازخونه. Namaz is praying. And in every school, university, or an office, normally, there is a room for praying. And it's called نمازخونه. دفترخونه. Daftar is a notebook. A notebook's house is a notary office. There are some other words with khune which are not used anymore, or we have alternatives for them. For example, یتیم خونه. Yatim is orphan, orphan's house. We don't use this word یتیم خونه anymore, I think. Instead, we say پرورشگاه, a place that orphans and children are brought up. مریض خونه. مریض is sick. A house for sick people is a hospital, and for that we use بیمارستان. دیوونه خونه. دیوونه, crazy. House for crazy people. Maybe it's not good to say that. So we don't also use this phrase, this word in Persian. دیوونه خونه. We say تیمارستان. If you also have examples, you can write it in the comment section. خداحافظ.